Trust God with all your heart and lean not to your own understanding. Proverbs 3 and 5. Hey everyone, it's your girl Donna Marie back at it again with another video. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys this look that I had done. It's a crochet individual method, and if you guys want to know how I accomplished this look, just continue on watching. Okay, so I have Bay Locs that I got from the local beauty supply store, and it was only $2.99 a pack, which I think is very affordable. And I had got 4 packs of this. Usually I get a different brand, but today I wanted to try something a little bit different. So yeah. So next you're going to need a crochet needle, which is only $1 at the beauty supply store. And I already have my hair braided, and I just wore this for a couple days and laid my edges already. And really pretty much all you want to do is just braid your hair in individual plaits, and it won't take long. I just sectioned them off really big. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just separating my hair so I can be able to start crocheting them in. Take my crochet needle and go ahead and put that through my hair, and then I'm going to connect it with the crochet hair and pull it right on back through the hair. And then next I'm going to take my hair and the crochet hair and pull it through the loop of the hole and just go ahead and tighten it. And I'm just going to be repeating the same steps throughout the video, crocheting my hair. And this is a really easy and quick method and more realistic, which is what I like. And most people be thinking, oh, I like your dreads, and it's not real dreads. And sometimes I be wanting dreads with my real hair, but then I think of this hairstyle. So just make sure you guys just take your time and just practice. Practice makes progress. You're not going to, be perfect the first time, but as long as you continue to practice, that's the good thing. So I just want you guys to continue to look at how I'm doing it. I'm just pushing the crochet needle through my hair and then taking that and pulling it in with the crochet hair itself, and then pulling both my hair and the crochet hair through the loop. And like I said, I already laid my baby hairs because I don't want to pull my edges too much, because honestly guys, my hair has broken off in the past as far as in the front, and I want my baby hairs. So what I did was lay my baby hairs first and then went ahead and crocheted my hair in. And just make sure you guys don't do it too tight, because you don't want your hair to break off. And if you guys want a tutorial on how I slayed my edges, just let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely go ahead and make a video on how to lay your baby hairs. Okay, coming up is a very important step. So what I'm going to do is take my crochet needle, go ahead and stick it in the crochet hair and go all the way up until I reach the top of my hair. And what I'm going to do is take that hook that is right there, and I'm going to hook it on to the braid, and then I'm going to go make sure the latch is pulled up on there, so when I pull it down through the hair it won't loosen up. And I just go ahead and do the same method with the hair, extra hair sticking out that is left over. And this is how you create that individual crochet method where it's less work but in less time needed and required. So you guys just continue on watching this little method that I'm doing, and I'll try to explain it again throughout the video so you guys can get a more clear understanding on what I'm doing. So just continue watching it. So like I said, you're going to take that crochet needle and push all the way up until you reach the top of the hair. And then you're going to take that hook and go ahead and hook the braid onto it and close the latch and go ahead and pull the hair through. And you got your individual fox lock. And also, when you guys get a chance, make sure you guys check out my Forever 21 haul, and also check out my eyebrow tutorial for beginners, which will be very helpful for people that are having trouble learning how to do their eyebrows. And also check out some of my other videos like my quarantine glam look part 1 and part 2, and also check out what's in my purse. So you guys just go check that out. It'll be linked below in the description box. So again, I'm just going to be repeating the same method, and go ahead and take that crochet needle and stick it all the way up to the top and pull my real hair through. So I'm going to take my real hair, which is the braid, and go ahead and latch it on the hook, close the hook, and go ahead and hold my hair at the same time and go ahead and pull it through. And like I said, guys, just take your time. Practice makes progress, and don't give up. And y'all, I'm sorry, I was so tired. I only had 2 more left, but y'all, my arms were killing me. Like, they were killing me. So this is the final look, and I think I actually really like it. I've had this style before. It's nothing really new to me. It's just a quick hairstyle, an affordable hairstyle, which is why I did it. And the only thing different about this hairstyle that I did was use a different brand of hair, which next time I think I might just stick with the brand of hair that I usually get. But overall, I like this look. I like how it already came with the hair jewelry. And right now I'm just doing different hairstyles to see how I'm going to wear it. And I hope you guys really like this video, and like I said, just make sure you guys keep on practicing and don't give up. Alright, this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and also make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, because I will be doing a giveaway once I reach 200 subscribers. And I just want to let you guys know I thank you for your support, and I hope you guys have a blessed and highly favored day.